In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can enable two-factor authentication on Twitter. 2FA is just a way to secure your account. Whenever you input your password, you're going to have to input another code just so Twitter knows that you're the one, and maybe your password gets stolen. Well, without that code, no one will be able to access your Twitter account. Alright, so to begin, all you have to do is to open the Twitter app, and then you tap on your profile picture up here. Next, you tap on Settings and Privacy, and then you tap Security and Account Access. Next, you tap Security, and then you tap two-factor authentication. So you're going to get these options. I would recommend going for Authentication app, so just enable it. Now the app is going to ask you for your password, so just input your password. Then tap Confirm, and now we're going to get started with the process. So tap on Get Started, and then you tap on this button that says Link App. So for this tutorial, I'll be using Google Authenticator. I prefer using it compared to this one, so I'll leave a link to Google Authenticator. So all you have to do is just download the app, install it on your Android device, and then when this comes up, you tap on Authenticator, and then this is going to show up, so just tap OK. So I just swiped to the bottom, and as you can see, a new item has been created by the Authenticator app. So whenever I want to log into Twitter, this is where I'm going to come to get the code. The code changes every, I think, 30 seconds or so. I'm not really sure. And as you can see, the code has changed. So I'm just going to copy the code. By just long pressing on it, you're going to automatically copy the code. And then I'm going to head back to Twitter, and I will paste the code to confirm. And it says I'm all set, so I'll just tap Done. So from now on, whenever I wish to log into Twitter, I'll have to use the code from the Authenticator app by Google, and I'll be able to log into my account.